In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in Canva. Adding music is a great way to make your designs feel more engaging, especially if you're creating presentations, videos, or social media content. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your own audio and place it correctly in your design. First, open your presentation or design in the Canva editor. This could be anything: a slideshow, a video project, or even a single page design that you want to turn into a short clip. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with different options like templates, elements, and text. From that list, click on the option labeled Uploads. When you click Uploads, a panel will open on the left. This is where Canva stores all the media you've brought into your account, including images, videos, and audio files. At the top of this panel, click on the button that says Upload Files. As soon as you do that, your computer's file browser will open. Now, navigate through your folders and find the music file you want to use. This could be an MP3, a WAV file, or another format that Canva supports. Make sure it's a file you're allowed to use, especially if it's for public or commercial projects. Once you've located the file, click on it to select it, and then hit Enter on your keyboard or click Open in the file browser window. You'll be taken back to Canva, and you'll see your music file appear in the Uploads panel with a progress indicator. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, the upload might take a little while. Just wait until the upload is fully complete. You'll know it's done when the progress bar disappears and the audio thumbnail looks solid and ready. When the upload is finished, click on the music file in the Uploads panel, then drag and drop it onto your design. As soon as you do this, you'll notice a timeline appear underneath your pages or slides at the bottom of the screen. This is where Canva shows your audio track. Drop the music onto that timeline area and it will be attached to your design. From here, you can play back your project to hear how the music sounds with your visuals and make any further adjustments you need within Canva's editor.